Welcome back, everyone. For this lesson, we're going to learn about adjectives. In Japanese, we have two different types of adjectives, e-adjectives and na-adjectives. E-adjectives always end in e in their dictionary form. For example, tanoshii, which means fun, is an e-adjective. Na-adjectives always end in na in their dictionary form. For example, kirei na, or pretty, is a na adjective. So adjectives are used to modify nouns, and both e and na adjectives act the same way when they come directly before the noun that they modify. That is to say, they both stay in their dictionary form. So, if I wanted to say Skyrim is a fun game, I could say Skyrimu wa tanoshii gemu desu. You can see we're using the e adjective tanoshii in this sentence. If I wanted to say King is a pretty dog, I could say Kingu wa kirei na inu desu, using the na adjective kirei na in this case. Again, both of them stay in their dictionary form in these sentences. However, when these adjectives are used as subjective complements, that's when we see a difference between the two of them. So, when e adjectives are used as subjective complements, they stay in their dictionary form. For example, if I wanted to say Skyrim is fun, I would say Skyrimu wa tanoshii desu. However, when a na adjective is used as a subjective complement, it drops its na. So for example, if I wanted to say King is pretty, I would say Kingu wa kirei desu. So now that we've gotten those rules down, let's take a look at some vocabulary, and when we get to our adjectives, we can start practicing some sentences. Ringo means apple. Ocha means tea. Gemu means game. And this is another English loan word. Dobutsu means animal. Inu means dog. Neko means cat. Kame can mean turtle or tortoise. Akachan means baby. Kodomo means child. E means good. So if we wanted to say good apple, we would say I ringo. Or if we wanted to say the apple is good, we would say ringo wa ii desu. Warui means bad. If we wanted to say bad dog, we would say warui inu. And if we wanted to say the dog is bad, we would say inu wa warui desu. Omoshiroi means interesting. If we wanted to say interesting book, we would say omoshiroi hon. And if we wanted to say the book is interesting, we would say hon wa omoshiroi desu. Oki means big. If we wanted to say big cat, we would say oki neko. If we wanted to say the cat is big, we would say neko wa oki desu. Chisai means small. If we wanted to say small child, we would say chisai kodomo. If we wanted to say the child is small, we would say kodomo wa chisai desu. Tanoshi means fun. Fun game would be tanoshi gemu. The game is fun would be gemu wa tanoshii desu. Kawaii means cute. Cute baby would be kawaii akachan. The baby is cute would be akachan wa kawaii desu. Kirei na means pretty or clean. So pretty dog would be kirei na inu. The dog is pretty would be inu wa kirei desu. Genki na means healthy or energetic. Healthy animal is genki na doubutsu. The animal is healthy would be doubutsu wa genki desu. Shizuka na means quiet. Quiet child is shizuka na kodomo. And if we wanted to say the child is quiet, we would say kodomo wa shizuka desu. So now, let's practice making some sentences using the things that we've learned in this lesson. Feel free to go back over the vocabulary and grammar rules that we've learned, and feel free to pause at any point during these questions if you need extra time. Jojo is an energetic dog. Jojo wa genki na inu desu. Mariko's baby is quiet. Mariko no akachan wa shizuka desu. The cute cat returns home. Kawaii neko wa uchi e or ni kaerimasu. Mr. Suzuki will not drink bad tea. Suzuki-san wa warui ocha o nomimasen. What day is Kazuo's fun party? Kazuo-san no tanoshii party wa nanyoubi desu ka? It's Saturday. Doyoubi desu. What time is Akemi's interesting party? Akemi-san no omoshiroi party wa nanji desu ka? It's around 10 o'clock a.m. Gozen 10時頃desu. At 2:30 p.m., I will eat a small cake. Gogo 2時半に私は小さいケーキを食べます。And that's it for this lesson. I'll see you in the next one. Ja, mata.